The question is from organic synthesis, that is from epoxidation category, and you know that epoxidation is nothing but it is a kind of oxidations occurred on olefins that will be converts to the product that is called epoxide. The conversion of olefin to epoxide is called as a epoxidation. So in this reaction there is oxidation is occurred with the help of oxidizing agent. Here this is the reaction is given where olefins are oxidized under the presence of an oxidizing agent that will be converts to the product that is called the epoxide. So oxidation of alkene is called as oxidations, and in here we are converting that olefins to epoxide. That's why this reaction is called as a epoxidation. For this process we generally require the reagents are oxidizing agents, so that will be give the oxygen. So in that category generally peracids, hydrogen peroxide, like example in the combination of acid or combination of bases, then peracids, metachloroperbenzoic acid is the more commonly used, and peracetic acid. Peracids are electron deficient because having oxygen oxygen, or that is also called as a per linkage, and that is a weakest bond. That's why it will be broken easily and it will deliver the oxygen to the respective olefin. So in peracid category, MCPBA is electron deficient oxidizing agent. That's why uh, for oxidation of olefins generally what MCPBA is utilized. Oxidizes only the electron rich olefins. Why? Because your reagent is electron deficient, so require the electron rich olefins. So in this case we have two different types of reagent, particularly for electron rich olefins and electron deficient olefins here. So what is the mechanism of this reaction? The mechanism of this reaction is here. So here olefin having pi electrons, and in case of what epoxides particularly, so epoxide having this bond particularly, there is a formation of an OH height kind of an interaction that will be one of the basic reason. So why this OO bond will be broken easily and deliver the oxygen. So in this mechanism, so oxygen is concentrated and syn type of addition is takes place over the surface of a olefin, and formation of a transition state like this. This is spaghetti effect, and after that it will be converts to olefin, converts to epoxide, and your byproduct is a carboxylic acid. Now in this case the limitation of this reaction is epoxides are acid level group. So generally if they are acid level groups particularly, they can easily open under the presence of an acid. So here one of the chance to open the epoxide by carboxylic acid. That's why MCPAB is one of the widely used oxidizing agent. Okay, now we have two different types of what alkenes are there. One is called electron rich alkene and second is called electron deficient alkene. What are the electron rich alkene? Those alkenes which are attached with electron donating or releasing groups, that's called the electron rich alkene. What are the electron deficient? Those attached with directly electron withdrawing substitute, that is called the that are called as a electron deficient type of olefins. Now what are the examples of electron rich olefins? One is isolated alkenes, second is more substituted type of alkenes, and lastly what most importantly here, what is the question is based on this factor only. It requires electron rich olefins required electron deficient reagent, that is MCPB or peracid. That's why